Well, hey folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage. I hope y'all are having a great day. This is just going to be a continuation of my ongoing project of upgrading the ignition on the Corvette and then adjusting the timing on the distributor and then tuning up the carburetor. But what I wanted to show you guys today, as far as upgrading and I guess tuning or recurving, actually I should say, of the distributor, what I got, and this is kind of the purpose of the video here, what I got are two different kits, and the kits are numbered. These are both Mr. Gasket kits, 928G and 929G. Now with both of these kits, actually the 928G, this kit is the one that I've read on various forums that you want to use for recurving the distributor on a small block Chevy. Now what I was interested to know, and well, the reason why I bought these two, one, the 929G was going to get here quicker than the 928G. This actually wasn't supposed to be here till Monday, and today is Saturday, and I want to go ahead and get this thing kind of wrapped up to a point where I could get it started and start, you know, tuning it and adjusting things as needed. So I went ahead and ordered both. I'll probably return both of these, or the one that I don't use. But what I wanted to do, and really the point of this video is what I wanted to show you guys, is if you're in a bind and you know, my local car parts store, O'Reilly's, had the 929G in stock. And again, if you guys are looking for the 928G and you've got to order it, you know, I wanted to see, which is my case, I wanted to see if the springs in this kit are the same as the springs in the 928G, because that's all I really need to do is replace those springs so these counterbalance weights will open up. I'll show you more about that when we get into installing these, but for right now I just wanted to dig into these two kits and see if the springs are in fact the same or different. So let's get into it. So I've already got the 929 open. Let's see here. Let's use a little towel here so these springs and pieces don't go flying all over the place. So what you get in the 929 kit, this center plate, these counterbalance weights, a couple bushings, and of course the 3 pairs of springs. There's a black, silver, and gold pairs of springs. Now the 929 kit says that this is for GM HEI distributors with the Eclipse 74 through 79. Okay, so that's what comes in the 929 kit. Now again, I'm not going to be replacing this center plate or the counterbalance weights, but I just needed the springs. Now let's take a look at the 928G kit. Alright, so this kit is, I believe, and it doesn't say on here, but it is also an advanced curve kit for GM. I believe this kit is for non-HEI distributors. So let's see what you get in this kit. This kit does not come with any instructions. It is simply a looks like a brass bushing, and you also get 3 pairs of springs. You get the black, gold, and silver. So, alright, let's put these guys side by side and take a closer look at them. Alright guys, so here we go. We've got the 928G kit on the left and the 929 kit here on the right. Alright, so right off the bat I do notice a difference in springs. So for example, and I'm going to try and keep everything left-right oriented. Alright, so there you go. 928 kit on the left and 929 kit on the right. So you can see it looks like, and I'll do a Simple pull test here, just very non-scientific. Okay. Alright, so it makes sense, right? This spring has more coils than this one. So you can see that there. And the actual wire on the 929 kit spring, at least on the black one, we'll take a look at the other two pairs in just a second, but the black one here, the gauge wire appears to be just a little bit thinner than the 929. So let's take a look at the gold pair of springs. Again, 928 on the left, 929 on the right. You can tell there's a difference there. Let's see, spring weights. 929 feels a little bit stiffer. And then also, let's take a look at the silver pair. Again, same thing here. 928 on the left, 929 on the right. And 929 feels stiffer, so that's interesting. The 929 gold and silver springs feel stiffer than the 928 gold and silver springs. However, the 928 black springs seem stiffer than the 929 springs. Alright, so what does that mean to me? Originally in the forums, I read that the kit you want for tuning up the distributors or recurving these distributors is the 928G. So that's why I bought it, and I was lucky enough that it came in early, so I got time to work on it today. But you know, every engine is different. Every engine, every distributor is going to curve a little bit differently. So before I send these back, or before I send the one back that I don't need or return it, I'm going to try out, or I'll have all 6 pairs of springs at my disposal to try and recurve the distributor, because ultimately what I'm trying to get to is full in timing, or my timing to be all in, meaning the mechanical advance is totally open on the distributor, around 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs. That's going to give you kind of your peak performance as far as the distributor goes. So I've got some options here to play with, and we'll see how everything works out. So stick around, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on my next video. I'm going to kind of continue this series of tune-up and distributor recurving, carburetor tuning on my 1970 Corvette. So for now, guys, that's going to do it for this short little video. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your support. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. As always, I will see you guys on the next one.